From the dashboard, click the Admin Panel drop-down in the left menu bar. Head to the Course Assignments section. Click the Create button on the top right. Give your new assignment a unique name. Decide when you want your assignment to start and end. You can give your team the option of completing a certain percentage of the course material in your assignment to still earn a completion certificate. Choose which teams you want to send this assignment to. You can also select individual users. Scroll down to the Courses section, where you can find courses with search or by using the filter options. Click the drop-down arrow next to each course to see more information about it. Click the checkbox to select the courses you want. You can choose as many courses as you like for each assignment. Once everything is done, click Submit to create the new assignment. Head back to the list of course assignments to find your newly created one. Click on it to see the progress report. You can see what percentage of the assignments has been completed, how much time each user has spent learning, and how many courses they've completed. You can also assign learning journeys to your teams. Back in the Course Assignments page, click the Journeys tab in the top menu. Learning journeys are curated roadmaps containing courses and challenges for teaching you specific skills in security. A quick rollout will send the journey assignment to all active users in your organization, giving them 10 days to complete it. The standard rollout option gives you more ways to customize your assignment. Enter all the details in this form, then click the Rollout button to finish the process. To wrap it up, let's look at how to view and export reports for your assignment. In the Reports page, you can find all kinds of analytics and data on your team's learning progress. For now, we'll just look at reports for assignments. Click the Assignments option. Find your assignment in the list and click Detailed View to see more information. You can also export the reports data for your assignments in CSV format.